how to use your phone to take pictures or videos with a pair of binoculars so that you can zoom in. I'm going to show you really quickly how I do that. So basically I'll show you, I had it set up already, but basically all you need really is a pair of binoculars and a little thing like this, a little mount like this. And this particular pair is a G-Skyer. I'll put a link if you're interested down below. But anyways, it came with this so that you know that it's the right diameter for the binocular lens. So this kind of just sits on here like this, and I kind of hang it down so that the gravity of the phone doesn't mess with anything. And then actually what I'll do is I'll take the phone and figure out which of these. So for this is an iPhone. This bottom lens is what's kind of like sees or whatever like that in the normal situation. So what I'll do, I'll pop this on here, and then before I even put it on the binoculars, I'll kind of get this hole lined up just right with it. Just right, perfect with that lens, so that when I go and hang it on, it's already there. And then if now when I turn it on, the camera on, you can see it's already perfectly lined up to see whatever I'm seeing through the binoculars on the lens. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching.